Today I received my package from Stackry. Let's open it together. Honestly, they really pay attention to every detail. Even though I didn't ask them to put a fragile sticker, they put one on by themselves, so I really want to thank them. They packed everything so well that you don't run into any problems at all. This is a special box you probably would not understand, but it's essentially various components for remote-controlled vehicles. It's really great packaging.